सब रेडी है पहले देखा
ये भाई सब लोग रेडी हो जाओ तब बोलो हम सब उतावले हो रहे सवाल पूछने
चलो रेडी
रोलिंग
एक्शन जानना चाहेंगे इस बार
पहले आप कृति बोलो नहीं ये कीर्ति जी आता है तो फिर
आईफा के लिए इस बार कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ फर्स्टली इट्स माई फर्स्ट टाइम टू न्यूयॉर्क सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड दैट आईफा इज हैपनिंग इन न्यूयॉर्क इट्स गोना बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन एंड आई थिंक आईफा एक इट्स मोर लाइक इन एक फेस्टिवल टाइप हो जाता है फिल्म फेस्टिवल टाइप हो जाता है जिसमें सब लोग हम यहाँ से इंडस्ट्री से सारे के सारे मिलके कहीं बाहर मिलते हैं और सेलिब्रेट करते हैं सिनेमा को सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड आई एम परफॉर्मिंग सो दैट्स गोना बी even more exciting for the first time.
Or do you believe in awards or rewards?
Believe in awards or rewards, I don't know actually. You can't term it, but yeah, of course it is good to be appreciated. We all work really hard and everyone likes to be appreciated for their performance, for the hard work that they've put in. So any kind of appreciation is good, yeah, whether it comes in the form of just fans praising you or box office numbers or awards or critics, anything would do.
So if you asked to go for trailer launch of Rafta?
Yes, very excited, very thrilled and nervous, and this is the day I've been waiting for pretty much a very long time. But I really hope that you all like it. It's something special and it's something that we all have again worked really hard on.
Kriti, you didn't have a release last year. So which are your favorite 3 films? And if you were given a choice to pick like your favorite actors and actresses, who would it be for last year?
Favorite 3 films. Actually, I was really surprised because Dangal was not there as a part of this list. This list, but I think I liked Urta Punjab. I liked MS Dhoni, and I liked Kapoor and Sons. So for me, these three are very different from each other. So
But
that
Nirja
again.
one, say an action one.
I've not seen Neerja, so I can't comment on it. I've heard really good things about it, and I really want to watch it. But I can't say my favorite film because I've not seen it.
And favorite hero and heroine, like actor.
And I think Alia for Urta Punjab, I think she was fab. And again, I've not seen Neerja, so I've heard really amazing things about Sonam, so I'm sure she was really good. In men, I think I loved Shah Rukh Khan as Gaurav in Fan, and I think Sushant did a great job as MS Dhoni. So yeah, these two.
Does it bother you there is some gap between 2 releases, like since there was no release? Does it like
No, it doesn't bother me, as long as, because I was constantly working. So for me, I was, had I been like not doing anything, sitting at home, I get very restless. But because I was constantly working, I finished Rabta and Bareilly Ki Barfi. I'm just left with like about 2-3 songs of Bareilly Ki Barfi. And that's also going to release in July. So I'm going to, for a change, have back-to-back releases. But yeah, the release of the film is not in my hands, unfortunately.
So anything else would you like to share with the viewers and fans you're watching you for now?
Well, for now, because I'm just thrilled about IFA and I'm thrilled about the Rabta trailer tomorrow. So I hope you guys watch both and you guys like both.
Okay.
So last question is coming.
See, Kirti kahan se aaya ye?
Come on.
Yeah.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन कितना एंजॉय कर रही हैं मुंबई की गर्मी जैसे कि यहाँ पर
जितना आप enjoy कर रहे हैं,
enjoy कर रही हैं, और
जितना आप
क्या
enjoy
tips
कर रहे
देना
हैं।
चाहेंगे इस गर्मी से बचने के लिए आपके
No, but I don't like winters, so I'm more of a summers person. But yeah, I prefer Delhi summers over Bombay summers. Just wear like airy clothes like I'm wearing right now. It's all khulla. And and drink lots of water, drink nariyal pani, keep yourself cool, comfort over style any day. So yeah, that's all.
You know the Rabta trailer releases tomorrow, so I'm pretty sure you've shown it to your friends and family. What were
I have not shown it to my friends and family. I don't have the trailer with me.
Okay, but what was the reaction and how
Whose reaction?
difficult was it for you to prep up for the film? You've done a lot of action in the film.
Yeah, not a lot, but there's a section that has action. So yeah, action, although it is very exciting because somehow I've always wanted to do it and it makes you feel a little stronger when you're doing it and when you learn all that. But it's very difficult and I've got to like bruise there are so many marks that Rapta is giving me on my legs, which I have to conceal every time I move out. But it's been a great experience. I think the whole film, you know, no matter how much of like difficult times we've had or worked in places which were not that shooting friendly, but it's been a fab experience.
Anyone from your family or film industry, you want to show the trailer first before the trailer got out?
My sister's seen it. She really loved it, but I would assume that she's biased towards me. Yeah, you guys watch it and please let me know how you like it.
Like, how's Sushant as a host?
He is fabulous, yeah. He's someone who keeps you, he's an amazing actor, so he really keeps you on your toes. And because he's so much into like homework, I would say. Like he really gets into the skin of the character and he really like does a lot of homework in detail of what he's going to do. But I think one thing I really like about him is that it's a great give and take, and you know when you're acting with someone who's a good actor, I think your performance also betters, and you guys need to sort of react to each other instead of just performing for yourself.
But how do you personally deal with rumors and controversies?
Ignore them. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. इस तरह मतलब इस तरह Thank you guys. Thank you, ma'am.
मैडम जी तुषार पीछे ना कौन अरे रहेगा यार ए पार्टी इसने किसके पीछे सुशांत राइट साइड चलो राइट साइड चलो के राइट साइड एकदम सभी राइट साइड या मैडम जी एकदम सामने राइट मैडम जी तुषार पीछे ना कौन अरे रहेगा यार ए पार्टी इसने किसके पीछे सुशांत राइट साइड चलो राइट साइड चलो के राइट साइड एकदम सभी राइट साइड
Now just.
Yeah, yeah.
Now one more time.
मैडम जी एकदम सामने
Right side.
राइट साइड ओके थैंक यू सुशांत ए रुक
Ready? Cool. Guys, come on.
इस बार आईफा के लिए आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं और क्या कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्लान होने वाला है आपका?
मैं हमेशा ही बहुत एक्साइटेड रहता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे याद है जब मैं कॉलेज में था और शामा के साथ मैं शामा के ग्रुप में डांस करता था तो 2005 था और 2006 था जब मैंने पहली बार एज अ बैकग्राउंड डांसर आईफा में परफॉर्म किया था और तब से मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है ये वर्ड 2013 में भी जब मेरी फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही थी पहली उसके जस्ट उस समय भी आईफा ने मुझे चांस दिया एक बार एज एन एक्टर दिस टाइम टू परफॉर्म एंड ऑब्वियसली आई एम परफॉर्मिंग दिस टाइम टू सो really looking forward to it.
Sushant, last year your film Dhoni was one of the most talked about films and your performance was really appreciated. Did you have any expectation of the national award and now do you have any expectations from IFA?
No, the thing is that my job is done on the last day of the shoot of the film. A very, very selfish actor. I'm just concerned about the kind of experience I have while shooting with the film. I just don't care about the box office numbers. As I'm being extremely honest with you. And yeah, if you get some kind of a validation from somebody likes your work and gives you a statue, like you'll feel good about it at that point of time. But that's about it. I'm not looking forward to anything. It's just the experience of just shooting for the film is what is the most important thing.
And you're here to vote at the IFA voting weekend.
Yeah,
so
I voted
I'm
for
sure
myself.
You voted for yourself? Okay, so I was not going to ask you to reveal your vote, but what were the other films and performances you liked last time?
There are like many very good films that I saw. Like Bar Bar Dekho, I was very, very impressed with. Obviously Neerja and Aligarh, Neil Bhattasanara, all these films. Even the performances in these films were really great. Yeah.
Hi Sushant. You'll be performing also?
Yeah?
Performing over there in IFA?
Yes.
Yeah. And most important factor, you'll be performing on your songs or you'll be performing on other songs? Some tribute to some...
Unfortunately, I have just done 4.5 films till now. All the films don't have dancing numbers.
Maybe like tribute sort of to some...
So we've not locked it yet, but it won't be my songs because my songs, you can't dance on those songs.
Will you reveal something from Rapta and IFA?
I think the trailer is coming out tomorrow. And 9th of June is when it's releasing, so it'll be out before.
You know, you have done a lot of prep for Rapta. You actually, for the action scenes and all. Tomorrow the trailer is coming out. Tell us about the difficulties that you faced throughout the shoot.
Why would there be any difficulties? I mean, like I do this job because there's nothing else that I like doing more than this. And I dropped out of my college. I was doing something for 18 years and discovered something that I really like, dropped out of my college. So I have no complaints whatsoever. Yeah, I'm like slogging for hours trying to understand the character and cultivate the skills and all. Yeah, I'm like you have to do that. But at the same time, when you really like it, then you don't get to know that you're working hard. And that is was the most important thing. So probably you should just do what you like doing.
Also, so I was scrolling through your Twitter and I found this. You said, for this girl, though it was not eating that mattered, but flight. Like, what's that about?
So that's a thing from Bach, Jonathan Livingstone,
Right,
the book.
right.
So yeah, exactly what it says is slightly rhetoric. It says that it's not the box office numbers. It's not what happens after the Friday release that matters. I mean, like, obviously, like, it has its repercussions. But it is just the flight of that bird. It's just saying yes to a film, preparing for the film, and then exploring while shooting for the film. And experiencing is why I do what I do.
Sushant, you did a Vyomkesh Bakshi, so that is a franchise in Bengali literature. So is there a plan to continue that, or is there a lined up?
Well, there was a plan when I signed it, but I'm not a producer, so I don't know. But yeah, obviously they took the rights of all the 31 stories of Sharad Hindu. So yeah, the plan was there at that point of time, but I don't know. Things change.
Sushant, you mentioned few films right now you really liked last year. So which are the actors you really appreciated and you're rooting for?
Manoj Vajpayee in Aligarh, for sure. And Mr. Bachchan in Pink. And Shah Rukh in Fan. Amir in Dangal. And Sonam, Nirja. And even Anushka in that film. So yeah, all these. And Swara Bhaskar.
सुशांत, क्योंकि हमने देखा कि आपकी लास्ट फिल्म MSD लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद की गई, तो इन फ्यूचर और भी किसी स्पोर्ट पर्सन या कोई लेजेंडरी एक्टर के ऊपर कोई
ऐसा काम करते हैं 10 साल बाद अपनी बायोपिक में काम करें।
आपकी और भी जैसे आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी और भी मैं करूं किसी के ऊपर, या आपकी ऐसी कोई दिली इच्छा?
नहीं, अभी 2-3 साल तो बड़ी मेहनत लगी थी दोनों में करने में, सो अभी 2-3 साल आराम से रोमांटिक फिल्म करते हैं, उसकी बात करेंगे।
गर्मी का मौसम चल रहा है और एंजॉय करते हैं आप गर्मी और उसके बारे में कुछ, सॉरी गाइस ये मेरा असाइनमेंट है।
मैं गर्मी पे आंसर नहीं कर सकता, मैंने जैकेट पहन लिया, बड़ा अजीब सा लगा है। क्या क्वेश्चन क्या था?
तो कुछ किस तरह से टैकल करते हैं आप गर्मी के मौसम को, और कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगे जो?
मैं मेहनत करके पैसे कमा के एयर कंडीशन खरीदता हूँ और अपने घर और अपने कार में एयर कंडीशन लगाता हूँ और जैकेट पहनता हूँ गर्मी से। I'm not very, I was having my chutti, regular chutti. So I am not very informed on who got what. Obviously I didn't get because nobody called me. But yeah, I have to go through the list to actually give my opinion. But any which ways, any awards, they're like, there's a group of jury and it's a very subjective. I think film watching and also acting and performances, all these things are very, very abstract things, and it's a very subjective thing. So we can't say that, okay, if these awards endorse these actors or films, so this is it. I mean, like, that's their subjective point of view. That's it.
Sushant, your body transformation is something getting obstruct on the social media a lot. So is it something you enjoy?
Follow me.
Most of the girls are like,
Thanks.
so,
That was the intention.
What do you say about your transformation? Is it something for the film or something you?
Yeah, obviously, it's in the so the film that I was doing, I'm doing right now, Drive, Tarun Mansukhani's film. So in that film, I was supposed to be slightly lean, but this is the first stage of my next film. That's Chandra Mama Durke. That's going to start in next 2 months, and yeah, so in that film. It is mandatory for me to have a very, very great athletic kind of physique because astronauts are like. So we will show the entire making of astronaut in that film. So yeah, the physical appearance means a lot.
Sushant, there was a humdrum around nepotism recently in Bollywood. So have you ever faced something like that, or what is your take on that?
See, I can only say through my experience and. I think in 2011, in October, I decided to quit TV. And I was thinking of going somewhere else, but in next 3 months, I got Kai Po Che. And from then onwards till now, all the films that I've released and all the films that I've signed for next 1.5 years, these are the films that I really wanted to do. Not because there were like no options, but these are the films that I really, really wanted to do. So having this luxury of choosing the kind of scripts and projects out of many, so I cannot complain. So it's my personal experience. Having said that, well, yes, nepotism is there and it's there, it's everywhere. It's just not in Bollywood. And so yeah, so you can't do anything about it. But yes, so nepotism can coexist and nothing would happen. But at the same time, if you deliberately don't allow right talents to come up, then there is a problem. Then the whole structure of the industry would collapse one day. But till then, it's fine. Like, nepotism can coexist with all the talented people also slogging at the same time. And you'll get wonderful films because they would be competing with each other and that would raise the performance. So that's not a problem.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Sorry.
Sushant,
Done.
how do you compare the IFA awards with all the awards happening around the year? The most important factor, you said the fact that it's being held out of the country.
So my 16 years of my schooling, I used to avoid these questions, compare this with that.
Oh,
this it's a very elaborate answer.
IFA has created its identity. All these years.
So I answered that. That was my first answer. It's got a very special place in my heart because for an introvert like me, who would not talk for first 18 years of his life, suddenly he's on stage and is dancing behind all these great, wonderful superstars. He's dancing behind Shah Rukh and Hrithik and all in 2005 and 6. And that was the first time I realized that, wow, this feels so good. And that was IFA 2005, 2006. And so yes, it's got a very special place. And always with IFA.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Okay, just one thing.
Side.
चलो हो गया जल्दी डन अरे भाई